Welcome to Project Africa. Project Africa is a scientific research project funded by Leap Agri, aiming at developing a green energy-driven technology solution to support the on-site fertilizer production in Africa, providing cost-affordable, green-made fertilizers to local small-scale farms. Our consortium is made of partners across 6 different countries in Europe and Africa. The main objectives of this project includes lab-scale development of fertilizer mini-plants, development of sensors and ICT technology, agronomic and soil research based on liquid fertilizer and local farming situations. Then, the mini-plants will be implemented in Africa, and evaluation of sustainability and economic impact will be conducted. At the same time, training and education will also be provided to local farmers. The concept of this project is to use nothing else but air and water as raw material, produce nitrogen fertilizer through the chemical reactions in plasma, which could be powered by renewable electricity. Meanwhile, sensors and ICT technology will be developed to monitor the local conditions, fertilizer usage, as well as providing information to guide the farming activities, enhancing the quality of soil and food production. The plasma fertilizer plant was designed and manufactured in the Netherlands. After testing, it has been shipped to Uganda and installed there, operating with electricity generated from renewable sources to produce liquid fertilizer. The produced fertilizers has also been tested with different crops. The sensing box was developed with different components including temperature, pH, light and humidity sensor probes, and communicating with smartphone and tablet through Wi-Fi. A fully assembled prototype is currently in use as shown in the picture. In addition, the mobile application has been developed to be used with the sensors. The application is easy to be used and requires limited input necessary from the farmers to understand what they have to do. We are actively interacting with stakeholders in many ways. On-site field testing was done with local users and experts in agronomics and soil science. Training and guidance was provided via videos and other kind of material to be spreaded to local users. And we run interviews and demonstration of plasma fertilizers to local farmers, especially the small-scale farmers. In addition, variety of actions has been conducted by our partners to allow us for better engagement with the stakeholders. This includes activities from identification of local stakeholders to communicating and exchanging information with them. Meanwhile, the dissemination of the project has been done through interviews with variety of media and reports on local news as well as project websites. Much attention has been attracted. At the same time, we are also promoting plasma nitrogen fixation technology for its industrialization. Our concept is in line with the pilot project of Evonik, which is one of our industrial partners for decentralized fertilizer production. We are currently working on the scaling up of plasma reactors and processes through a wide range of collaborations. Besides, our work has been presented in publications in chemical and fertilizer industries towards potential stakeholders in such field.
So the IoT Sensing Box has 3 major parts: the hardware, software, and the protective casing. And the hardware follows a do-it-yourself approach, meaning that most of the parts can be easily found in local markets and can be easily assembled. And it's a collection of single-board computer, microcontroller, sensors, Wi-Fi communication module, LEDs, and LED drivers. And regarding the software, it was developed to allow further developments. It comprises sensor reading modules and communication sockets to allow data exchange and sensor configuration. And it allows or it controls the image acquisition of the computer vision-based soil classification that is used to detect texture and color. The protective case will house all the sensors, the microcontrollers, single board computers, illumination, and mounting parts in a way that is protecting from the environmental conditions where these boxes are used, and it's being designed, or it's being conceived to be easy to assemble, to protect the equipment, and also follow standard 3D printing dimensions, so it's easily replicated elsewhere.
Thank you very much for your attention, and please feel free to contact us.